Good morning, Silver.
Good morning,
Uh,
Uncle.
nice. Right now, this morning, Uncle will interview Silver. Uncle will give some question. The first, what is your name?
My name is Silver Maiden.
Nice. So where do you live in, Silver?
I live in the Kerinci Jambi in the village Sungai Asam.
Wonderful. Okay, that's great. So you live in Sungai Jambi, yeah? Kerinci Assam. Nice, nice. Next, Silver. How do you learn English, Silver?
Speaking every day with my family, with my parents, with my sister, every day.
Wow, so you speak English with your family, parents and sisters. Nice. Speak English at home, right?
Yes?
Wonderful. Speaking English at home. Well, Silver, right now your English is good, right? I think you will motivate the Indonesian kids to learn speaking or to learn English. So what will you say to them? What will you say to Indonesian kids, Silver? Yeah.
Just keep learning.
Yes.
Keep learning English.
Uh-huh.
And English is it.
English is very important. Yeah.
Yes, important.
Nice, nice. So we keep learning English every day, Silver? Wow, wonderful. By the way, what grade are you in, Silver? What grade are you in?
I'm in sixth grade at elementary school.
6. Mashaallah, that's great. That's great, Silver. Yeah. So right now you are at home, free, right? Okay, cool. So Silver, you speak Bahasa Indonesia or not at home? Or you just speak English at home? No Bahasa Indonesia?
And
Yes, no Indonesian?
I'm,
Mm-hmm.